Hey guys, Andrew Fox here, and let me tell you about the brand new Zapable launch happening on the 4th of May 2021. Now, Zapable has been going for years, and we have paid out over $1 million in recurring commissions to our JV partners. And on this launch, we are giving away over $15,000 of prizes with no minimums. And with over 300 amazing customer reviews, expect this launch to be even bigger. In fact, let me show you what the team at Zapable have been up to. Now, with our new mobile app builder, you get to create beautiful app designs across multiple industries. Industries like online coaching, personal trainers, realtors, cafes, restaurants, and many more. We have over 30 amazing state-of-the-art features like QR code scanning to get your app downloaded instantly, coupon codes, social media profiles, selling physical merchandise within your app, and more. But one of the things that we are most proud of is our brand new feature called Zap Digital. Zap Digital allows you to sell your digital products within your own mobile app and integrates via one click with your most common processors like JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and Pay Kickstart. You can sell access to your membership sites with direct login from within the app. List your appointment calendars if you're an online coach, and send push notifications to anyone who has downloaded the app. But the best has yet to come. Check out our brand new Instant App technology, where you can simply scan a code and the app will instantly load in your client's phone. Or simply go to a website URL like zeusfitness.app and it will automatically prompt the user to install on their phone with one single click. Now, you're probably asking, does a technology like this work? Absolutely. With this example app generating thousands of visitors already and hundreds of thousands of dollars of sales this year, it's proof that mobile apps are not just a luxury, but the future of both offline and online businesses. Now, not only with Zapable do we give you this amazing app builder technology, but we also give you a full done-for-you agency package. We include 5 high-quality done-for-you agency videos to attract clients in multiple industries. We also include the landing pages in multiple formats such as ClickFunnels, WordPress, Divi, and many more. We give email approach connect scripts to cut and paste and send to potential clients. We share resources, top 17 ways to get your clients' apps downloaded, and much, much more. So with over 300 amazing customer reviews, a state-of-the-art app builder software and done-for-you package, backed up by amazing customer service, you can see now why Zapable will be one of the biggest launches of 2021. So get ready for May the 4th. If you go to our website URL zapable.com/JV, we will always give you our most up-to-date information there. And remember, we're giving away $15,000 in prizes, and there are no minimums. So please get in touch if you need anything. The best way we recommend to promote is by booking a webinar. We've sold over $100,000 in a test webinar, so we know how well this converts. So thanks again for watching this video. We hope to see you on board the launch, and the future is bright, the future is Zapable.